Welcome to Learn English channel. My name is Sharif. We are still in our series of lessons on pronouns in the English language. The previous episode was about interrogative pronouns. You can refer to it on the channel. Today's episode is about 6 indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. They're those handy words that refer to non-specific people or things. Instead of saying John went to the store, you might say someone went to the store. See how someone doesn't point to a particular person? Here are some common indefinite pronouns, often grouped by how they function. Singular. Referring to people, someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, no one, nobody, everyone, everybody, one, other. Referring to things, something, anything, nothing, everything, one, another, other. Plural. Referring to people or things, both, few, many, several, others. Singular or plural, depending on the prepositional phrase that follows. All, any, more, most, none, some. Let's look at some examples in action. Someone is knocking at the door. Singular person. I didn't eat anything for breakfast. Singular thing. Both of my sisters are teachers. Plural people. Few of the students passed the test. Plural people. All of the cake is gone. Singular thing. All of the cookies are gone. Plural things. Some of the water spilled. Singular thing. Some of the books are missing. Plural things. A couple of things to keep in mind about indefinite pronouns. Subject-verb agreement. Singular indefinite pronouns take singular verbs, e.g., everyone is here, and plural indefinite pronouns take plural verbs, e.g., many were chosen. With the pronouns that can be singular or plural, the verb agreement depends on the noun and the prepositional phrase that follows. Pronoun agreement. When using a pronoun to refer back to an indefinite pronoun, it can sometimes be tricky. Traditionally, singular indefinite pronouns were often referred to with masculine pronouns, he, him, his. However, in modern usage, it's more common and inclusive to use singular they, them, their, or to rephrase the sentence to avoid the issue. For example, traditional, everyone should bring his book. Modern/inclusive, everyone should bring their book. Or all students should bring their books. Do you have any specific questions about indefinite pronouns, or would you like to explore a particular aspect further? That's all we have for this lesson. If you have any questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to ask. Please drop that down in the comments. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye.